everyone, it's Melissa here from Little Kosher Lunch, and I wanted to have a moment of real honesty with you, which is to say that the foods that I pack for my kids do not always get eaten. And yesterday that was very much the case, where I packed Vietnamese spring rolls, which many of us liked, but one of us did not like, and she just ate the wrappers off of them. So I think that my children have really been craving just good old carbs and stick to your ribs kind of cheese and crackers type foods. And they want pasta, 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 even for breakfast. You can have some more before we go to school. You can have some more before we go to school. So today I boiled up some orzo pasta here, which my children can't get enough of. They want to have it literally for breakfast, lunch, and dinner today, right?
My little sister Bunny, she's right there. She's eating some of these noodles. They're delicious.
They're delicious. So today I've
And
packed
this is
up.
what they look like.
Today,
They look like this.
it's Mommy's turn. I packed orzo with olive oil and shredded cheese. You can have that one. And I have leftover because I really believe if you're gonna get the colander out and the pot out, have some leftover for dinner. So we've made a full package of orzo. In my big girl's lunch, I packed other carbs. So I have digestive crackers, which we love, Swiss cheese, which we love. We slice it off a big block from Costco. Leftover bok choy from last night. It's just 2 pieces of bok choy and half of an apple cut up. And I leave the rest of this empty because in her thermos I have more, I have like a full portion of orzo.
That will be dessert.
And 1 grain of orzo for dessert. So just to illustrate for you, I know some mommies have guilt about their kids eating pasta all the time. I do too. Our rule in our house is that if you're eating a noodle, there needs to be a fruit or a vegetable next to the noodle or eaten with the noodle. Otherwise, you know, constipation happens, and we don't like that here. So I do have the noodles though, and then I pair it with fruits and veggies. I like the big giant noodles when I can find them. I have these twisty noodles that are fun, and they hold a thin sauce really nicely. The ears are really cute, and then these are a Mexican brand of pasta that are super cheap at our ethnic grocery store. It's not a full pound of pasta, so
fell down.
the new-news fell down. So these are nice to throw in a soup. You can do the alphabet letters in soup for alphabet soup. They have stars, baby elbows. So stock up on some shapes. I know you're looking towards the fall and packing school lunches again, and different shaped noodles are gonna be a lot of fun for your family. Just make sure that you pair at least 1 fruit or 1 veggie for best results. And yeah, we don't eat healthy all the time. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day. See you back here soon.